Hello, and welcome to today's flow. This practice is gonna be an invitation to slow down and breathe into the pelvic floor. We will need one block. We will move gently and use the breath to create space, awareness, and support in the lower body. Let us begin in a wide knee child's pose at the bottom of the mat. As you inhale, allow the lower belly to gently expand. Feel the breath moving down towards the pelvis, creating a soft outward pressure. On the exhale, let the belly naturally draw back in without pulling or gripping. Think of the breath moving three-dimensionally into the abdomen, not just forward, but also sideways and into the back body. Let the whole of your body relax into the mat and breathe. With the next inhale, come back up and roll down into a Sphinx pose. Elbows and forearms are on the mat. Shoulders are relaxed and away from your ears. Legs are engaged. The top of the feet are pressing into the mat. The chest is expanding. As you hold here, notice the breath. Inhale into the lower belly and pelvis, and exhale slowly, allowing any unnecessary tension to release. When you're ready, gently lower your forehead to the mat. Move the hands by the sides of the ribs. And inhale, rise up into a Cobra pose. Cobra pose is a stronger pose. Keep your glutes and legs actively engaged and relax your shoulders. But let the pelvic floor respond naturally to the breath rather than trying to control it. Exhale, release, take a moment and rise up again. Remember that this practice is awareness, not achievement. Exhale, lower down, and with the next inhale, rise up into a 4-point kneeling position. Give your spine some love with some cat and cows. Keep moving, following the pace of your breath. When you're ready, move your weight into the left knee and straighten your right leg out to the side. Start rocking your hips back and forth. Stay present with the rhythm of your breathing. Notice how in this position the breath creates space along the side body. Enjoy these sensations. Go back to center and move into some more cat and cows to neutralize the spine. And let's move into the second side. This time the weight is shifted into the right leg and the left leg is straight out to the side. Start rocking your hips back and forth. Connect with your breath. Send it down into the lower belly. Back to center. Once again, neutralize the spine, either with some cat and cows, a child's pose, or if you're feeling like I'm feeling today, give yourself some spinal rolls, rocking back and forth, giving your back a beautiful massage. When you're ready, grab your block. We're gonna move into a supported malasana. Place the block on its medium or higher setting between your feet. Step the feet slightly wider than your hips and turn the toes out naturally. Begin to bend the knees and lower the hips down. Let the sitting bones rest fully on the block. Find again the connection between the breathing and the pelvic floor and open your chest. Bring the torso upright and lengthen through the spine. Rest the elbows lightly inside the knees and bring the palms together if that feels comfortable. Supported malasana allows the muscles at the base of the pelvis to soften and widen, which is essential for healthy function. Breathe here with intention for as long as you need. When you're ready, release, stand up, move the block out of the way, and lie down on your mat, taking your time. Bring the soles of the feet toward the sky and bend the knees wider than the torso. Reach for the outer edges of the feet or the ankles. If that is not accessible, hold behind the thighs instead. Let the tailbone be heavy on the mat. Gently draw the knees down toward the armpits, keeping the shins vertical. Soften the shoulders and relax the neck. Bring your attention to the breath. As you inhale, imagine the pelvic floor gently widening and softening. When you're ready, relax into your final resting pose, Shavasana. This is the time to let it all go, only focusing on the sensations that have arisen in your body during the class. Stay in your Shavasana for as long as you need. But if you're ready, start moving the feet and the hands. Hug your knees to the chest and rise up into a sitting position. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I can't wait to see you next time. Namaste.